Welcome to MathQuence channel. Today we are going to see CBSE Class 10th Maths Chapter 1 Exercise 1.4 Question number 1 Subpart 6 to 10. Okay, what is the question is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So before answering whether the given rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, we should know theorem 1.6. Okay, so what is theorem 1.6? If x is a given number is of the form p by q, then we can find this number whether this is terminating or non-terminating by knowing the decimal expansion or prime factorization of q. Okay, so by analyzing the prime factorization of q, we can decide whether the given number is terminating or non-terminating. How can we analyze the prime factorization of q is, if the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative numbers, then the given number x will terminate. Okay, if the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, then the given number x will terminate. Or theorem 1.7 says, what is theorem 1.7? If x be a given number which is of the form p by q, if the prime factorization of q is not of the form, okay, is not of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Okay, if q is not of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, then we can decide x will not terminate, but x is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, repeating decimal expansion. Okay. So what I am repeating again, theorem 1.6 says that if the given number x is a rational number p by q, then we can find x is a terminating or non-terminating by analyzing prime factorization of q. So how to analyze? Q should be of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Then we can say x will terminate, or x is a terminating decimal expansion. And if q is not of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, then we can easily say that the given number x will have non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, this you have to know. Sixth subdivision is 23 by 2 power 3 5 power 2. So we need to say this number is terminating or non-terminating. So for that, according to theorem 1.6, we need to analyze the prime factorization of denominator. So here it is of the form 2 power m 5 power n. Therefore, this will terminate. So here we need to, here 2 power 3 5 power 2, to equalize the powers we have to multiply by 5 power 1 on numerator and denominator. So therefore multiplying and dividing 5 power 1 on numerator and denominator. Okay. So if you divide and multiply, then you will get 23 into 5 power 1 divided by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 into 5 power 1. So this is equal to 23 fives are 3 fives are 15, 1, 2 fives are 10, 11. So 115 divided by 2 power 3, 5 power 3, which is equal to 10 power 3. Okay. So 115 by 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000. Okay. Then 115. So if you divide 115 by 1000, then you will get 0.115. So therefore this is terminating. Okay, this is terminating decimal expansion. Okay. And this next problem is 129 by 2 power 2, 5 power 7, 7 power 5. Here, if you analyze the denominator is having, in addition to 2 power 2, 5 power 7, in addition to that, 7 power 5 here you are having. Therefore, so this number will not terminate. Okay, this is non-terminating. This number is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Okay, and the next problem is 6 by 15. 6 by 15. So 6 by 15 can be rewritten as, okay, 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 3s are 15. Okay, 6 is rewritten as 3 into 2. 15 is rewritten as 5 into 3. So 3 3 cancel. If you cancel, then you will get 2 by 5. Okay, so you multiply and divide by 2. Multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2. Then you will get 5 to 10. Okay, this is of the form 2 power m, 5 power n. Therefore, numerator is 4. So 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4. This is terminating decimal expansion. Okay. And the next problem is 35 by 50. 35 by 50. Like this problem, 35 is also 35 and 50 can be rewritten in terms of 5. 7 5s are 35 and 10 5s are 50. So 5 5 we will get cancelled. Then you are having 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 is rewritten as 0.7. Okay, so this is also terminating decimal expansion. And next problem is 77 by 210. So 77 by 210. 77 is 7 11s are 77 and 7 3s are, so 7 7 will get cancelled. So 11 by 30. Okay, here the denominator, the decimal expansion of or the prime factorization of the denominator is 3 into 10. Okay, here this is rewritten as 11 by 3 by 10. Okay, So what is 11 by 3? So to find out what is 11 by 3, you divide 11 by 3. Therefore, 3 3s are 9. 2 point, if you keep, then you will get so 3.666 you will get. Okay, or otherwise I will write 3.6 the bar divided by 10 means 0.36 bar. Okay, so this is also, this is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, so this is the answer for the subparts 6 to 8, 6 to 10.